What's up YouTube? AVI back with another video. Today we got a nice box, so we figured we'd do an unboxing of what's coming soon on the channel. So we have a box here from Ford Performance, and what's inside is a Ford Performance cold air intake and ProCal tune for the Ecoboost. So basically what it is the cold air intake from the GT350 and a tune, and with that tune comes 100 horsepower gain at 6,000 RPMs and 64 pound-feet of torque increase at 5,500 RPMs. So we figured we'd do an unboxing and see what we got here. I haven't opened it yet, so we don't know what to expect.
What's inside?
Ooh, got some bubble wrap. Look at that thing.
Whoa.
Thing's massive.
Straight from the GT350.
There we go. That's gonna go in the Ecoboost soon.
Nice.
So with this, we'll have about almost 420 horsepower. 420.
What else is inside here?
And then inside, we got this box, which is pretty cool. It says Ford Performance inside. Open this. Some more pieces. Oh. And then
The ECU.
ECU, yeah. Let's open that up. See what we got here. Pretty cool. So with this, as much as I would love to install it, it comes with a warranty backed by Ford, which is one of the reasons that I did get the Ford Performance one rather than like, Roush Cold Air or J&N. I did get, oh, what's this? Oh, I thought it was like a shirt and I got excited.
It's like a sleeve?
I don't know. Looks like some heat shield, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, one of the reasons I got this one is because it does come with a warranty if it is installed by a Ford dealer. So as much as I would love to install it myself, I would prefer just to have somebody do it so that way I can get the warranty. And it also keeps your warranty if you have an existing warranty and you install this. Ford will back their own warranty if you install this. So they can't say, oh, the cold air intake and tune was the cause of this issue. So
Because it is a Ford product after all.
yep, Ford is standing behind their product, their Ford Performance product. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited. I'm pretty excited. Hopefully, we're lighter than a GT, and I'm automatic. So if if a manual GT pulls up next to me, it might be pretty close. So yeah, that's it. We'll make sure to keep you guys updated on the installation. We'll do a before and after sound and some pulls before and after. But yeah, just like that, AVI out.